Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clothes Around the World.
Thank you. I am excited to talk about clothes from different countries: Morocco, Japan, Scotland, and Korea.
Great. Let's start with Morocco. Traditional Moroccan clothing is very special. Have you got a Moroccan dress?
No, I haven't got one, but I have seen many beautiful ones. They have got amazing embroidery and bright colors.
That's right. Many Moroccan women have got a dress called a kaftan. Men have got a long robe called a jalaba.
And some kaftans have got gold designs, haven't they?
Yes, they have. Now, let's talk about Japan. Have you got a kimono?
Yes, I have got one. It is blue with white flowers.
That sounds beautiful. Kimonos are very traditional. In Japan, many people have got special kimonos for weddings and ceremonies.
And men have got different ones, haven't they?
Yes, they have. Men's kimonos are usually simpler. Some have got family symbols on them.
That is very interesting. What about Scotland?
In Scotland, many men have got a kilt. It is a special skirt made of wool.
Have women got kilts too?
Yes, they have, but men's kilts are more traditional.
Have all Scottish people got kilts?
No, they haven't, but many people wear them for festivals and celebrations.
That is nice. Let's talk about Korea. Have you got a hanbok?
No, I haven't got one, but I have seen many colorful ones.
Yes, hanboks are very colorful. Women's hanboks have got wide skirts and short jackets.
And men's handboks have got wide trousers, haven't they?
Yes, they have. The old ones have got big sleeves too.
That's right. Many Korean people have got handboks for special days like New Year or weddings.
Every country has got such interesting clothes.
Yes, they have. Clothes tell us a lot about culture and history.
I agree. Thank you for this wonderful talk.
Thank you, Anna. And thank you, listeners. What traditional clothes have you got? Think about it and talk to a friend. See you next time.